Hello everyone, good evening. This is Asha from Asha Fashions Bangalore, Vidyaranyapura. So today I'm going to show you a beautiful pure cotton fall printed sarees from my shop. It's a very beautiful saree. You can wear it for the official wear as well as the party wear also. Very decent. It's all coming with the plain blouses. Okay, I'll show you the different colors and different patterns of that. Let me start with the sari what I'm wearing. You'll get the beautiful foil print at the end of the sari. This way it will be. It's a very pretty, very decent look sari. Okay, I'll show you the colors and different designs in this. This is one more color, dark royal blue with this type of designer print. Okay, designer foil print मिलेगा आपको. Okay, and the price of this sari is only 950 free shipping. 950 free shipping. You'll get different kinds of patterns, different designs. This will be the pattern. This is the body of the sari, and this will be the pallu. Okay, I'll show you this one. Okay, see the very beautiful print. It's a royal blue color with pink and green का कॉम्बिनेशन में इस तरह का ब्यूटीफुल प्रिंट किया गया है. ओके, एंड you'll get the foil print, light color foil print. You won't be able to see through the video. You can see the shining. It's a foil print. It's a guaranteed foil print, pure cotton है. Okay, this is a pure cotton, and you're going to get a blouse piece, plain blouse piece with this type of 1 meter blouse piece you're going to get with this. Okay, you'll get the combination. This is how it will be. I'll show you the colors quickly. This is the body, red color with again foil print, green print. This is washable, hand wash कर सकते हैं आप. Okay, normal wash, and the length of the sari will be 44 inches. See, for my height it's coming this much. This will be the pallu. I've got n number of designs, n number of prints. Price is only 950 with plain blouse piece. Only 950 with plain blouse piece. This the again one more beautiful color, Rama green, with all different type of motifs. You can see this very beautiful prints. You can wear it for the office, small functions. It goes very pretty with the elders as well as young people. Okay, this will be the border. You will get 10, 12 and 14 and 16 inches का border मिलेगा. Different types of borders you will get, different colors. This is how it will be, and the price is only 950 free shipping. Those who want to purchase it, take a screenshot and send it to the booking number 9986831550, and the payment mode will be GPay, PhonePe, bank transfer, Paytm. Okay, this will be the border portion. We'll get more collections. If you want to see more collection of my shop, you can book it through video calling also. That facility is also available. It's all pure cotton. Okay, very pretty, very beautiful pure cotton with foil print. Okay, foil print मिलेगा आपको 1 मीटर का ब्लाउज पीस, प्लेन ब्लाउज पीस भी मिलेगा आप इसके साथ. दिस द लाइट ग्रीन blue color, light sky blue color. This will be the body part. All the collections are very beautiful. It has come just today. So whoever wants to book it, so book it fast. This will be the border. Very pretty, very decent look. I have different types of pure cotton sarees. I opened one thing. I'll show you. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. This will be the पल्लू. ओके, पल्लू भी आपको 1 मीटर का पल्लू मिलेगा प्रिंट. ओके, डोंट मिस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. Please take a screenshot and send it to the booking number. Price is only 950. Free shipping. This is one more color. Very pretty. One more color with very pretty design on it. You can see the design. Okay. You will get this type of border at the bottom as well as at the top. सब डिफरेंट डिजाइंस डिफरेंट. ये सब बुटीक कलेक्शन है. दिस विल बी द आंचल एंड दिस इज द बॉडी ऑफ द साड़ी. प्राइस इज ओनली 950. ओके, फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व होगा. दिस इज वेरी प्रिटी लाइट कलर, lemon yellow color. Can see this. This will be the pallu. इसका 100% कॉटन है, नॉट इवन पॉलिस्टर मिक्स. थोड़ा सा भी पॉलिस्टर मिक्स नहीं है. यू कैन टेस्ट इट. इफ यू से दैट इट इज़ नॉट कॉटन, आई buy it back from you. Okay, that much of guarantee I can give you. It's a very pure cotton. Okay, कोलकाता का कॉटन जो कहते हैं प्योर कॉटन, इस तरह का कॉटन. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी सॉफ्ट, इस तरह का. ओके, लेट्स गो विद द अदर कलेक्शन. दिस इज वन मोर कलेक्शन विच आई हैव गॉट. दिस साड़ी हैज गॉट फुल ऑफ फॉइल प्रिंट. इस तरह का पूरा इस तरह का फॉल प्रिंट मिलेगा. सोना चांदी जो कहते हैं, 2 टाइप्स ऑफ फॉल प्रिंट. वन इज लाइट एंड वन इज गोल्ड. कैन डिफरेंशिएट. दिस इज गोल्ड एंड दिस इज वाइट. इट्स अ गारंटीड प्रिंट, बट डू नॉट ब्रश इट. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल पीसेस. कैन सी, वेरी प्रिटी, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. And even the length of this saree is also 44, and the price of this saree goes 1100 free shipping. Okay, you won't be able to get this type of sarees at this price. Please grab the offer, that too with free shipping I am giving. And one more offer I would like to give is those who are buying 2 sarees at a time, whatever sarees collection I am showing, you'll get a 10% discount on the total bill. Okay, this is one more color in this. जिसको फॉइल प्रिंट ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, दिस इज़ अ पार्टी वेयर. ओके, दिस इज़ अ पार्टी वेयर. सी दिस टाइप ऑफ फुल फॉइल प्रिंट यू विल गोइंग टू गेट. अगर आपको इसमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, देन यू कैन बुक ए स्लॉट फॉर द वीडियो कॉल. I'll tell you in detail. For that you need to book an appointment, then make a call. Okay, this is a dark pink with foil. The price of this is also 1100. 1100 free shipping. This is one more color in this. Look at this. Very pretty, very beautiful colors with this kind of beautiful foil print. इस तरह का फॉल प्रिंट आपको यहाँ से निकलेगा नहीं. ओके, but you need not have to brush it on this. That's the only thing you have to do. Very beautiful, very pretty. Okay, this will be the body part. Okay, इस तरह का पूरा फॉल प्रिंट मिलेगा. Full saree you'll get this kind of faux print. That's why it's 1100. 1100 free shipping. See, this is one more color in 950. Red. This will be the border. Okay, all the colors are very pretty. I'll show you one more color. Those who want to comment purchase at my shop, they are most welcome. You can comment purchase. You will get all types of sarees, daily wear, party wear, designer sarees, cotton, pure cotton, handloom cotton, dress materials, gowns, सब कुछ मिलेगा. सब ethnic collection मिलेगा आपको. And this is 950. Okay, what I'm showing is 950. This is one more color. Very pretty. जिसको भी डार्क कलर्स पसंद है वो डार्क कलर्स ले सकते हैं. जिसको भी लाइट कलर्स पसंद है लाइट कलर्स परचेस कर सकते हैं. दिस इज डार्क ग्रीन. बीटरूट का मरून होता है ना, इस तरह का डार्क मरून with this kind of foil prints, different types of prints. Okay, these prints are guaranteed. Okay, very beautiful pink color. इस तरह का पिंक कलर में different colors, different motifs. This is one more color. ये आएगा आपको ब्रिक कलर में. ओके, दिस इज नॉर मरून नॉर ऑरेंज, ब्रिक कलर. And one more collection from my shop is this batik print collection. This is a very soft cotton material, batik print का है. Okay, and the price of this is 550. Okay, on purchase of any 2 sarees you will get 10% discount. Okay, this type of cotton is very beautiful, very soft cotton. See, this kind of soft cotton bhi hai. And there is one more pretty color in this type of collection. This is 550. Even this is without blouse. I have blouse pieces also. You can match with this, and that will be of extra cost. Okay, but shipping will be free for all the sarees. This is लहरिया डिज़ाइन. इस तरह का लहरे में मिलेगा आपको. ओके, वेरी सॉफ्ट है, सब प्योर कॉटन. Okay, very soft cotton. And this is one more dark color. Those who like dark color, इस तरह का बाटिक प्रिंट मिलेगा. This is 550. Very soft material. It goes very pretty. इस तरह का चक्रास मिलेगा आपको. ओके, द प्राइस ऑफ दिस मुम्बाटिक इज 550. एंड वन मोर कलेक्शन इज दिस टाइप ऑफ वाइट बेस पर आएगा आपको इस तरह का डिफरेंट कलर्स का फ्लावर्स. Even this is a pure cotton. What all I am showing today is all pure cotton sarees. One is with the foil print, and these are all hand washable daily wear. Very decent look. Even if you starch this, you can use it for the office use also. This is one more color. This type of different colors with different prints you'll get. Okay, price of this is price kitna? 499. Okay, price of this white is 499. This is one more color. Some very decent colors. Very pretty, very beautiful one. This is one floral print ka hai. These are all daily wear. Okay, these are all daily wear cotton sarees. This kind, beautiful. Okay, you'll get n number of collections, n number of colors. See, this is also very pretty combination. Okay, these are cotton lovers can go for it. Price is only 499. Price is only 499, free shipping. These are the colors. Sorry. This type of colors you get. One saree which I have opened, I'll show you. This is how it looks. This will be the pallu part. Okay, these are all very soft मलमल कॉटन जो बोलते हैं, ये जामदानी प्रिंट में मिलेगा आपको इस तरह का. ओके, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, डिसेंट लुक, वेरी प्रीटी. एंड द प्राइस इज ओनली 499. प्योर कॉटन है, 499 में इस प्राइस में आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, you can come to the shop also and purchase it if you are liking it. I'll put my WhatsApp number and details in the description. Those who are willing to purchase it, today's collection, can purchase it. Send me a WhatsApp message. Okay, and the payment mode will be Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm and bank transfer. Okay, thank you for joining. Bye bye from Asha Fashions.